Hybrid drives, that is, the pairing of a conventional combustion engine with an electric motor, also enable commercial vehicles to reduce both fuel consumption and CO2 output. In the commercial vehicle drivetrain, the electric motor is integrated between the interrupting clutch and the transmission. It can reduce the demand for power supplied by the combustion engine, thus lowering fuel consumption. The electric energy necessary to achieve this comes from a high-voltage battery that is recharged via recuperation during braking and while driving downhill. The Bosch inverter converts the direct current from the battery into a three-phase alternating current. It also controls the electric motor. The combustion is supported by the electric motor, especially during starting up and acceleration. The result is a considerable consumption advantage for hybrid vehicles, especially due to high mileage in long-distance traffic. An intelligent control system ensures that in all driving situations, the best possible distribution of the required torque between the combustion engine and the electric motor is achieved. When starting, the vehicle is driven by the combined power of combustion engine and electric motor. The power of both drive systems can thus be varied optimally to provide a powerful start on the one hand and increased fuel savings on the other. Where driving conditions remain constant, the combustion engine is the most efficient drive system. When driving down a steeply sloping road, the kinetic energy is recuperated. The electric motor now acts as a generator. The kinetic energy of the vehicle is thus converted by the electric motor into energy, which is then stored in the battery. The energy recuperated in this way can be used when climbing steep inclines, for example, to power the electric motor as it works together with the combustion engine. Thus, better traction can be supplied for short time periods and could also offer potential for downsizing the combustion engine. With each braking action, the electric motor is used to decelerate the vehicle, and the battery is recharged at the same time. When the deceleration energy of the electric motor is no longer sufficient, conventional braking is employed. In addition to regenerating energy, this system also reduces wear and tear on the brakes. With the corresponding battery power, the vehicle's electric motor can, for example in stop-and-go traffic, also run temporarily on electric power alone, and thus with little noise and zero fuel consumption. In long-distance traffic, the diesel hybrid from Bosch enables a reduction in fuel consumption of 6% to be achieved, which translates into savings of up to 4,200 euros per annum. In addition, a vehicle driven on electric power alone will in future be allowed entry to limited access zones. In both long-distance and distribution traffic, the diesel hybrid system from Bosch offers a realistic target amortization period of 2 to 3 years.
Bosch, invented for life.